Think we're live. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vase. Coming to you live once again from Chile, Santiago, Chile. The good thing that the conference is only a few blocks away from my apartment. The bandwidth is just not good enough for me to stream this from the conference. So I just came over, taking a little rest, and bring you guys a short video. And then I'll probably go back for the dinner and the evening activities. All right, going straight to screen share, trying to keep these a little shorter while I don't have any guests on. Let's see, what am I sharing? All right, there's no conference update. There hasn't been any registration since yesterday. The poker game, I'm gonna open up more seats around Christmas, and we'll also, give you an update and stuff. I'm pretty sure the poker game is gonna sell out. The conference, we'll see. I'm trying to sell out the conference as well. 48 tickets left at 0.15 Bitcoin, a few VIP tickets. No additional speakers yet, but there will be. I'm still working on that. On my homepage, my workshops, Tampa is sold out. Aruba, ooh, one more person registered. Oh boy. I may have to get a bigger venue now. I was getting ready for about 3 people, but looks like it'll be more. But it'll be a lot of fun. And Phoenix, don't forget about Phoenix as well. It'll be a couple of weeks before the conference in Vegas. Those that are interested in the indicator, please click the indicator button. And affiliates, I mean, if you guys want, please, whenever you shop at Amazon, please click one of these links and then do your shopping from Amazon. That helps support my channel. And TradingView subscriptions or TourGuard subscriptions, they also help support my channel. All right, let's go to charts. Monthly chart. Let me get this out of the way here. Let me check my mic settings. Hold on. I want to make sure I'm using the right one. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Monthly chart, not looking good, right? So again, the big question is, are we now more similar to the bottom of October that gave us a big bounce and then gave us the ultimate low in January? Or are we already in the capitulation phase, like what we got in December and January of last year? And the answer is nobody knows. I don't know. It's actually starting to look a little more like the final low, but I still think we're going to bounce from the $3,000 area. I think we're going to go back to the $5,000 area. And then I think we're going to make one more ultimate low around May of next year. That's what I'm looking at right now. The monthly chart just gave you a brand new low RSI. That is not good at all. And the MACD is still looking very bad. So not much going on there. The weekly chart looks very bad, very, very bad. You are on a 4 of 9, and that calls for potentially 5 more weeks of downside. This week, it's already Thursday. I believe today's Thursday. And we are about to close at a brand new weekly low. We've now been able to bounce from the $3,500 area too many times. And I am now fully bearish across all time frames. And well, except a very long time frame. But the weekly is completely bearish right now. I am looking for a breakdown to the moving average, which currently sits at 3,200, and the ultimate triangle target of flat 3,000 or 2,980. I think that would be a very decent buying opportunity, either for a short term, a swing trade to the upside, potentially a swing trade to the upside that turns into a bull market, or if you were out of Bitcoin, months ago, 3,000 I think is a decent time to potentially start to dollar cost average into Bitcoin over the next 6 months. to set yourself up for the potential of a bull market, you know, in the latter half of 2019. Daily chart looks ugly. You're on a 5 of 9 with a 9 of 13 sequential. Again, you're about to get a brand new daily low close. You had a brand new daily low close yesterday, and you are now about 3 hours away from a new daily low close. That sets you up for more downside. If we continue to go straight down, we will get a beautiful 913 buy 4 days from now. So I kind of stopped drawing my arrows, but I can go ahead and draw an arrow just for the next 4 days, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I would be looking for a buying opportunity at around 3,100. Let's go in between my 3,000 and 3,200. So that's what I'm kind of looking at for December 10th. That would be a 913, and that should give us, you know, a potential buying shot, you know, back to the $5,000 area, right? So like that. So that's what I'm kind of looking for and perhaps just hoping for. All right, so that's what I kind of see. Do this. Right into the moving average probably as well, right? That one. But it'll probably be way lower by then, so we'll reevaluate. 12-hour chart. 12-hour chart is about to give you a 9. So the 12-hour chart will give you a 9 next candle. Oh, even though this is not Bitstamp. Let me go to Bitstamp. I'm done with Bitfinex. Let's go to Bitstamp. Only because I want to see what the sequential says. Okay, good. Sequential is at an 8 of 9 Bitstamp as well. Maybe a new low close. But so look for a relief rally on the soon, right? There's 3 hours to go. You get a 9 next candle. Next candle is 12 hours long. Anything can happen, but there could be a potential bounce next candle on the 12-hour. The 4-hour, you see this bounce right here off the 9. So there was a 9 on the 4-hour. It started trading down, bounced right off the setup trend line. So the 9 candle fell down to 36.30, fell down to 36.30 exactly, and then it rallied all the way up to 38.35. Wow, that was a big rally there, and then it faded away. So the 9 gave you that 1 to 4 candle correction, and then you went down. So we've now broken the setup trend line on the 4-hour. This looks very bad. It's setting you up for a countdown phase off the 9. Plus there is a 3 of 9 coming in. So the 12-hour is like the only one for a potential rebound in the next 15 hours or so. The 1-hour chart also gave you a little bit of a breather. Look at these two beautiful reversal candles right at the 9. But this is going to be short-lived, right? You are looking at this breakdown from this line. Like I mentioned yesterday, going below this line is bad. And here we are. So once we break this, we can backtest that line at 36.80, and then it'll probably be it. So the 1-hour is on its 1 to 4 candle correction, then down. The 4-hour is already going down. 12-hour might give you a relief rally. The daily is bad, and the weekly is very bad. You know, shorts are still increasing, so that potential for a short squeeze. So be careful. I go with the price, not the amount of shorts. I still think we can drop heavily from here. GBTC is not doing well at all. I will be looking to pick up GBTC when Bitcoin gets to that $3,000 range. That's the premium. I'm sure it's not calculated perfectly. I haven't had time to look into it. 16% premium is pretty small. I would love to see that premium come down to the 10% area so that I can pick up Bitcoin not only at the $3,000 low, but also at a under 10% GBTC premium. Ethereum is below $100. Thank you, finally. Now it just needs to go one more decimal point over, below $10. Come on, Ethereum. I know you can do it. Prove to others that you can do it as well. S&P had a monster rebound today, and it's still rebounding. This is big, guys. That is one hell of a hammer. It's literally closing right now as we speak. I was busy at the conference all day. Oh, that's the futures. Sorry, the actual S&P did not have as much of a rebound on the candle, but that's the weekly candle. Here's the daily candle. That is I would love for this to be a green candle, but not yet, and it's done. So it's not going to be a green candle. Man, the S&P is, you know, that's your line. That's your line. If the S&P goes under 2,600, I am a bear of the S&P. We're like on my last hope here. So we need to hold 2,600. Otherwise, I become a bear. So last shot for the S&P. Let me see how some of the stocks did. What is this? This is gold. Gold did well today. I'm a little surprised. Man, gold just doesn't want to capitulate. Oh, well, it'll just take longer. Oil, neutral on oil right now. Let me go through some stocks real quick. Oh, these are the indices. No, I want to go to stocks. US equities. No, I'm bearish on silver, like forever. I think silver is done. We'll talk about it another time. Amazon, neutral. Green price flip stock at moving averages, about to get a death cross. Neutral. Google, neutral with a bearish bias. Apple. Ooh, Apple does not look good at all, right? That's that 1 to 4 candle correction, a little longer. About to break the lows. Apple looks very bad to me right now. Apple does not look good. Netflix, neutral. You had a 9. Oh, you had an aggressive 13. That was a sequential 9. Neutral with a bearish bias. Ooh, Tesla looks great. I'm bullish Tesla. Tesla looks awesome. See, it's not about the overall stock market. It's about looking at a stock independently. Now, of course, you have to pay attention to the overall stock market. But if you were in Tesla during this entire S&P crash, you completely saved all of your money, right? Because Tesla is sitting there near the all-time high. So Tesla looks great. 6 of 9 above all of its moving averages. They're all trending upwards. Tesla looks great, bullish. Facebook had a great rebound today. It's all the way up to 139 now. It's on an 8. Neutral on Facebook. I want to see what tomorrow's 9 looks like. AMD, neutral on AMD. It's another make or break week for stocks. I keep thinking it'll tell me where it's gonna go, but it doesn't. Nvidia looks very bad right now. Continues on its downtrend. Couldn't close the gap. Bounced off the 9, but I don't like Nvidia. Oh boy, Ford. Ford might get itself in trouble soon. No real comment. This looks bad. The marijuana stock. 5 of 9. Double bottom coming up. I think it'll give you a 9, a 1 to 4 candle correction, and then it's gonna go down. I was saying earlier that I think the stock is going back to 35 bucks, and I think that it will. This looks bearish to me. GE looks very bad, but you can't short it. It's already $7. And what is this? TSG, neutral with a bearish bias. Box, it looks exactly like Facebook. I want to wait for the 9 candle. And Twitter is totally neutral. Okay. Oh, you know what I want to look at? I want to look at, as funny as this sounds. Oh, you know what? I can just reuse the ticker. It's okay. I want to look at Bitcoin ABC. What's the ticker? BCH ABC. Oh, it's BCH ABC now. Okay, cool. So, man, where's the liquidity? I mean, I don't want to use Binance. I don't want to use Poloniex either. I don't want to use Bitfinex. They all suck. They're all terrible. I guess I can use Binance. They probably have the most liquid market. So this is Bitcoin ABC versus Bitcoin since the launch, right? Yeah. And wow, what a disaster. So it's down to 0.03. It's down to 3%. It's time to start calling it Ccash, but it's not Bcash anymore. I can't separate them. So here's the thing, right? So here is Bitcoin ABC. So I want to save that. Make a copy. I don't even want to call it. I want to call it ABC. Yeah, I'm going to call it ABC to avoid confusion. So this is ABC Daily. ABC Daily. Gotcha. And this can go back to being Twitter or something. The last thing I'm going to look at, then I'll probably call it a day. Wait, I thought I made a copy. Oh well, let's do that again. So it's BCHABC on Binance, I guess, versus Bitcoin. And that's what I'm saving. And I want to make a copy of this and call it BSV daily, because I want to do a ratio of the two, because I think you're about to get a flippening. The real flippening, not the Bitcoin was never in danger. They're about a real flippening. A flippening for the fight of Bcash. So it's BSV versus BTC on, oh, see, Binance don't have it. So that, I have to change the other one. Bitfinex has it and Bittrex has it. Let's go with Bittrex. Maybe that's better. Yeah, look at that. See, this is very bullish. And this is very bearish. So what do? Well, what the hell is Bittrex? Jesus. And they don't have this on Bittrex. Great. The world of shitcoins. It's not able to hold. Wait, did they flip already? What was the high? The high was 31. And today, the high was 31 today. Oh, I'm going to a ratio here. I wish I could use the same exchange. Maybe I can use Polo. I should use Polo. But they don't have, this doesn't have it on, this is not on Polo, unless they have another ticker. Who the hell knows? Man, what a shit show. Okay, so what we need now is, we need the ratio of the two. So I'm going to make another copy. Make a copy. And it's going to be ABC / SV, BSV. I'm loving the clown show, guys. I love it. I love it. It shows you what out of consensus Bitcoin forks are. BSV, BTC on Bittrex. Let's do it. Beautiful. Beautiful. I should do it the other way because Bitcoin ABC is winning. They're totally winning this fight. All right, come on, flip it. That didn't work, did it? What's going on? Wait, BCH ABC versus Bitcoin on Binance. There it is. That's much better looking. Beautiful. Beautiful. So here it is. It's at its all-time high. So we are looking at the flippening between Bcash and Bcash, and it's at 0.9. So once it reaches 1, that means Bitcoin SV has won the battle for the word Bitcoin Cash or Bcash or whatever you guys like. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. And I think there's now a lawsuit against everyone involved in Bitcoin ABC, which is also amazing. Hey, centralized companies, they can sue each other all they like. Good luck suing Bitcoin, though. All right, that's it. That's all I wanted to look at. I'll glance at your live stream, but other than that, man, total fail on making this a short video, but I think it's short enough. That's it. I have 1,500 viewers. Glance at Bitcoin one more time, not looking good at all. I'm hoping that we will stop the bleeding at somewhere between 3,000 and 3,200, and then we will reevaluate everything. Could I load up CoinMarketCap? I guess. I think there's like a better version of CoinMarketCap, but I never remember what it is, and there's like 100 of them, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, this whole site's going to go away eventually. Oh, Stellar is going up. Okay, it's another Ripple. It's a scam of Ripple. Yeah, there's Bitcoin SV at 102, Bitcoin Cash 115. You have Tether and EOS in between. EOS is now below $2. EOS should be dropping. Bitcoin SV will probably be rising, and it will be funny to see Bitcoin SV above Bitcoin Cash for the battle of Bitcoin Cash. Hilarious. Someone wants to call it the fakening. That's funny. I like that. Okay, I'll grab a question. Tony, your opinion, what will happen when all the Bitcoin is mined? Nothing. I mean, transaction fees. We've talked about this many times. It's a long answer. I'm not going to get into it. Someone said something about Jimmy's song. I didn't see what, though. Why is Jimmy's song never on anymore? Because we can't like coordinate. I mean, he's busy. I'm busy. I'll try to get him on again. I mean, me and Jimmy. I mean, we didn't break up. I mean, we're just busy. We're just busy doing our own thing, and Leah's busy with her new website and clients and organizing the workshop for Vegas. And Jimmy's we're all gonna be in Vegas. Come see us in Vegas. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Keep this video short. You see the coin market cap. Bitcoin is gonna continue to separate. It's amazing how its dominance is still only 54%. That seems unreasonably low, grossly low. That's gonna be increasing, and oh yeah, that's not bad. It's the highest dominance we've had all year. You know, we've had it a little bit, a smidge higher a few months ago, but yeah, I mean, it's the nightmare of Bcash and Bcash are both pretty much done. Oh, Poloniex has a market? BCHSV. Interesting. Let me see. BCHSV. Nice. Nice. Oh, no, BC. Oh, so that's how they name it at BCHSV. Oh, I get it now. I get it. I get it. And that's on Poloniex. Okay, let's do Poloniex then. BCHSV on Poloniex. Oh, I hate that. Hate that spike. It throws everything off. And then BCH ABC also on Poloniex. And that did not work at all. BCH ABC on Poloniex. Right. Do it. That's not bad. I'll take it. Oh, so it has hit higher. Okay, so, but it's a new high close, and it's the close that matters. So it looks great. I love it. Yeah, let's stick with Poloniex. They have a, because they had a market long before the split. That's the day of the split. Okay, got it. Yeah, so look for 3 more days of upside, right? So the fakening should happen in 3 days. 3 days time, it should hit a high. Oh yeah, I had a very nice steak in Chile. Thank you for asking, Leah. I have a picture. Should send it to you. All right, guys. That's good enough for me. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget the Unconfiscatable conference. Man, 1,500 viewers. Really quick. Affiliates, if you guys want to support, TradingView, TourGuard, and Amazon links for you. Other cool stuff as well. Unconfiscatable. I will open up a few seats around Christmas. But other than that, 48 seats left at 0.15 Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dropping, so the conference is cheap. We will look for more speakers, but even with this lineup, conference is going to be great. See you all there, hopefully, and talk to you all on the next one.